Hello, this is Aftab Khan, Executive Director and Instructor at BRASI. In our series to discuss the key terminology and concepts in supply chain management, today we'll look at cash to cash cycle, or also known as cash conversion cycle. What it is that it is the time duration measured in number of days from the time you spend money on procuring raw materials until you recover your money or you get your cash back from the market from sale of your goods. So all the time that is the material spends in the raw material warehouse through processing or just holding it if you are not manufacturing but just trading, holding and then distribution, of course, transportation, warehousing, logistics, and all that, and until it gets to the customer, and then they pay you based on the payment terms. An average industry standard is 35 to 45 days of cash to cash cycle. However, it depends also on industry and on your footprint, global, local, and all that. So you have to find out your own benchmark, but it's very critical that we know this measure because supply chain has a huge impact on cash to cash cycle because all that we do in supply chain does impact cash flow. So how do you determine your cash flow cycle or cash to cash cycle? You take the number of days of inventory that you're holding and the outstanding payment of sales, number of days again, and the average time it takes for customers to pay you back. For example, if you have inventory holding of 45 days and you also have number of days of outstanding sales, 30 days, for example, together it is 75 days, and then your average payment period is 30 days. Subtract that, you end up with 35 days. That's your cash to cash cycle. And of course, how we improve that? We use lean methodology, and the tool within lean to be used is value stream mapping, VSM. Yes, folks, the same tool that we study. You look at the total stream of supply chain within the organization, identify non-value added activities, remove them, reduce them, and you end up with leaner supply chain. The whole idea of lean is to reduce the cycle time between cash out and cash in. So that's what we do to improve the cash to cash cycle. Very key, very important financial measure impacted by supply chain. That's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. Thank you so much.